How to back up your AAAPOS Webstore Manager and AAAPOS RetailManager shopfront databases to a synchronized cloud storage folder. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to set up a cloud backup, ensuring your data is safe and secure. Go to Settings, choose Setup, and select Backup Cloud Storage Folder. To begin, first, activate the backup option by checking the Activate Backup Offline to Synchronized Cloud Folders box. This enables the system to start backing up your files to a local folder, which will then be synced to your preferred cloud storage provider, such as Dropbox. Next, choose the data source you want to back up. You have options to back up the Webstore Manager database and RetailManager shopfront database. You can also include a daily folder from the RetailManager shopfront by selecting a specific day from the drop-down. Let's set it to Wednesday. Now, let's set how often you want the system to back up your data. You can choose either daily or weekly backups. In this example, we'll go with weekly and schedule the backup for Monday. Next, select the synchronized cloud folder where your backups will be saved. This could be a local folder that syncs with a cloud provider, like OneDrive. Use the search field to locate and select your folder. Finally, configure the retention policy. This helps you manage older backups and ensure there are always enough backups kept, no matter how old they are. Choose the number of days after which backups are considered old. For example, 15 days. Set the minimum number of backups you want to keep, regardless of age. For instance, 10 backups. Select Save to the change. Once everything is set up, you can either wait for the next scheduled backup or manually start the process by clicking Backup Now. And that's it. You've now successfully set up a backup process to a synchronized cloud folder, ensuring your data stays safe and accessible.